Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting showdown between two security cameras that will surely light up your world. On the left, we have the Noorio B200 security camera, and on the right, we have the AlkiVision 2K light bulb security camera. Let's dive right into it. Both cameras come in at a very affordable $129. It's a tie. The Noorio B200 boasts a built-in spotlight that illuminates the surroundings when motion is detected, which is great for scaring off unwanted visitors. Plus, its color night vision shows more details even in the dark. On the other hand, the AlkiVision 2K light bulb camera offers an impressive 2K HD color night vision with their exclusive Magicpix technology. It's like having a Hollywood production crew in your backyard. When it comes to motion detection, the Noorio B200 uses advanced AI detection that can differentiate between humans and other subjects like animals and cars. No more false alarms from swaying trees. Meanwhile, the AlkiVision 2K light bulb camera takes it a step further with its precise motion tracking feature. It can automatically detect and follow objects within a 355 degrees pan and 90 degrees tilt range. It's like having your very own personal security guard. The Noorio B200 offers a wire-free experience with its built-in rechargeable battery, allowing you to install it anywhere without the hassle of wires. On the other hand, the AlkiVision 2K light bulb camera takes a unique approach. Just plug it into a standard light bulb socket, download the app, and you're good to go. It's as easy as changing a light bulb. The Noorio B200 comes with 8 GB of local storage, allowing you to store up to 3,000 pieces of footage without a subscription. No hidden costs here. On the other hand, the AlkiVision 2K light bulb camera offers free rolling 3-day cycle cloud storage and also supports SD cards up to 128 GB. You'll have plenty of space to capture all those unexpected moments. The Noorio B200 security camera has received positive reviews for its easy setup, clear picture quality, motion detection accuracy, two-way audio function, cloud storage option, sturdy build, and affordable price. On the other hand, the AlkiVision 2K light bulb security camera is praised for its unique design, easy installation, outstanding picture quality, additional features like a two-way microphone and motion tracking, and its cost-effectiveness as a home security solution. And there you have it, folks. Both the Noorio B200 security camera and the AlkiVision 2K light bulb camera bring unique features to the table. It's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our smart comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and buy smart.